Tonight, the legal battle over enforcement of immigration laws in Teller County is in a judge's hands.
The Teller County Sheriff is being sued by a group of taxpayers who accuse the sheriff of violating state law by holding undocumented immigrants in his jail simply because of their immigration status. Investigative reporter Sean Rice is here to explain how other states handle this issue. Sean.
Yeah, Bart and Heather, what is yet to be decided in this case is whether a county sheriff can enter into an agreement for his employee to help federal immigration authorities. It's a common agreement in over half the states in the United States, but there are three, California, Illinois, and New Jersey, that have banned that practice altogether.
It's not a state function. It's a federal function.
Former state rep Adrian Benavidez wrote up a piece of legislation that was created in direct response to what Teller County Sheriff Jason Mikesell was doing.
ICE was asking sheriffs to keep people longer than they should have. Keeping people beyond that is a new arrest or a new seizure under the Fourth Amendment. And under our statutes and under our Constitution.
Today, the Teller County attorney argues Mikesell's 287G agreements with federal immigration authorities is not expressly forbidden in the 2019 Colorado law. Since 2019, Mikesell has hired, quote, designated immigration officials trained by ICE to enforce federal immigration law. These processes include investigating whether someone entering the Teller County jail was undocumented or deportable.
The requests that were coming from ICE were just simply requests. They were not signed by a judge or anyone else. And that was the real distinction. We don't do this for civil law. And that's not our role.
The sheriff's defense team also argues that these civil immigration detainers do not need a judge's signature. 13 Investigates asked Mikesell and his attorney for an interview in the case after it wrapped up today. They said they couldn't speak on the case until that judge's ruling does come down. That Teller County judge is expected to make that written ruling in late February. Reporting live in the studio, Sean Rice, 13 Investigates.
Yeah, I know you'll keep on top of that one, Sean. Thanks.